Does it matter what HDMI port you use for your television? Short answer is yes, and this is the reason. Have you ever plugged in a device into your television and it just didn't look right? Blurry pictures, no sound, lag during gaming, and then you switch HDMI port and everything works perfectly. So, what was the coincidence? Today, I will explain why, which HDMI port does what, and how to choose the right HDMI port so that you can get the best picture quality, sound, and performance without buying anything extra. Stay to the end because one wrong HDMI port could be holding back your television. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It carries videos and audio together in one cable from devices like streaming boxes, game consoles, laptops, soundbars. But here is the part most people don't know. All the HDMI ports on your TV are not the same. They may look identical, but they don't perform same function. Television manufacturers assign different features to different HDMI ports. That is, one port may support 4000 pixels at 60 Hz. Another supports 4000 pixels at 120 Hz. Another handles audio return only. If you plug the wrong device into the wrong port, you lose, and you might not know what went wrong. Here are the basic HDMI ports: cable television decoders, DVD players, older device, but they may not support full 4000 pixels at high refresh rate or advanced audio. eARC stands for Audio Return Channel. This port is special because it sends audio from your television back to a soundbar or home theater. It uses just one HDMI cable. eARC is the upgraded version. It provides better sound quality. It supports the Dolby Atmos and surrounding sound. This is where things get serious, especially for gamers. HDMI 2.0 supports 4000 pixels at 60 Hz. It's fine for streaming and normal viewing. HDMI 2.1 supports 4000 pixels at 120 Hz. It has variable refreshing rate. It has automatic low latency maode (ALLM). If you play game on a PlayStation 5 Xbox Series or gaming PC, this port matters a lot. If you use the wrong port, you lose smooth motion, your input delay increases, and your console is limited. Now, let me show you how to choose correctly. For soundbars and home theaters, use HDMI ARC or eARC. For game consoles, use HDMI 2.1 if available. For streaming device, use any 4000 pixel labeled HDMI port. For all devices, standard HDMI is fine. An important tip: check the labels next to the ports on your television settings menu. Let's look at the mistake that is seen all the time: plugging a soundbar into a regular HDMI port. Using HDMI 2.0 for next generation gaming. Assuming all HDMI ports are equal. Ignoring port labels on television. Any of these can ruin your viewing experience.
Another warning. Why won't it work?
So does it matter Which HDMI port you use on your television? The answer is yes. Using the correct HDMI port means better picture quality, better sound, smoother gaming, zero wasted potential. Your television is smart only when you plug things correctly. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you on our next video. Bye bye.